guys, and welcome here to another beautiful piano exercise. And so today I'm going to be teaching how to play the FurElise. FurElise song. So FurElise is actually a classic song that was written by Ludwig van Beethoven. It wasn't even published until 1967, that's 40 years after Beethoven's death. So it obviously wasn't super popular in his day. Many piano teachers over the world assign just part of the song to their students early in their piano learning, which is what I'm doing right now. So FurElise was composed mostly in the key of A minor and in C major and F major as well. So I will play it on C because C is actually quite simple for beginners. So guys, I will do it slowly. I will use my one finger to do it slowly first so that you see the keys. So this is how I usually start it. 2 times. We'll press this D sharp twice and this one 3 times. Get some difference here. Then the other part of it, yeah, so that's actually it when I'm playing. That's actually the song. Yeah, the song is quite actually long. Like I said, most teachers give just part of the song to their students to prepare them, yeah, for their piano, for actually knowing how to play the piano, yeah, and will help us as well when we be discussing on chords formation and all the like. So if I'm now to play with my full hand, I usually start with it like that. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, so that's all about the song. So for now, if you have been playing, for now I just want you to know that just when you play, forget about the chords that I was playing with my left hand. But if you're a beginner, you should play this and back it up with your right hand. So when I'll be going on G, on A rather, when I'll be going on A, I also play A here with my left hand. C, G, yeah, E. Yeah, so that's all about this stuff, guys. So, but if you are actually maybe an intermediate, so thank you guys. So if you are actually an intermediate, you could use the normal chords. Press is actually a broken chord, yeah. So actually my left hand was playing, but I actually, when I was playing the E chord, I actually added something like this. So this is what I was playing. It makes it so nice. Yeah. Okay, so that is it, guys. Thank you very much.